guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm not gonna make this intro too long, so I'm about to attempt to do a closure install, but I'm gonna make the closure look like a frontal. This is my first time doing this, so do not come too hard on me, okay y'all? Let's get into the video, but before we get into it, don't forget to like and of course subscribe to my channel and turn on your post notifications so you guys can see whenever I upload. Let's get into it. Let's go. Come on. Look at my hair. This is Jerry Curly. So I got this got to be clear glue, and I'm gonna use this because I'm not really the type of person that likes to use too much of those, like, you know, bold hold glue type glues. So this is what I'll use. And got to be spray. Everybody knows what this spray is and what it do. At this point, if you don't know what this spray do and what it is, I don't know what you've been doing in the community. So now I'm about to blow dry it real quick, and I gotta go pick up food. So okay. So I'm gonna keep this here, and you know what, I might as well blow dry it. So now what I'm gonna do is get this mousse, and it's watery. I need more mousse. I've run out of mousse. I'm gonna push my hair back a little bit so I can kind of see. Okay. Oh, by the way, I did pluck this wig. So okay. So now we're gonna cut it. Like, I've literally never done this before, so you know, I'm just trying to see how it'll look. Cause you know, when you install your regular wig and that joint come out looking like it's a frontal, well, this joint can look like a frontal, and I think this might be a better way for me to cope with my wigs because, yeah. Okay, so now that I've cut it, I'm about to tie it. So let's tie this up like this. All right, I'm gonna keep this tied up for like 15 minutes, and then I'll come back, take this off so we can see how it looks. Okay, so it's past whatever time limit I had. So now I have a sippy cup. I don't know why I decided to start the camera when I want to drink. Okay, so let's go. Okay, so I'm gonna take this off. Let's see, it's looking like I'm a little scared, but you know, oh, okay, just as I suspected. Scary, but we gonna fix it. It looks crazy right now, but we're gonna fix it. I didn't get mousse, y'all. Okay, so I'm gonna try to shake this one, and hopefully it will spread. And it's watery. I need more mousse, but okay. I'm gonna go in, try to clean this up, because I can see the gel and all that, and it's not looking too good. So I want it to look nice and refreshed. And then hold on, and I'm gonna give myself a middle part, because that's really all I could do unless I switch the wig over to the other side. So yeah, that's basically all I could really do. When you're doing a middle part, middle of your nose, and then go in and go straight in the middle. You should have yourself a nice middle part. I'm gonna go on the side, get some baby hairs. Okay. Okay, that looks about enough. You don't want to overdo it with baby hairs. Like I said, this is my first time doing my hair like this. I never thought to do my closures like frontals before until recently. Recently I saw videos and I was like, I want to try it. And next thing you know, here I am trying it. You need a spray bottle and water, and then spritz through your hair. I'm gonna start from the bottom and go up. Always start from the bottom up. You see the curls are forming. It makes it a lot easier that way. Even with your natural hair, you go from the bottom up. You never go, you know, start from up and then go down. It's just not going to be an easy process if you do it that way. Again, you saw I have no other products. I only used water. So this is how it looks with just water. Pretty good. Do the same thing on this side. From the bottom up, comb. I just put some mousse at the top of my head so that way my hair would lay more flat. I find that when I put mousse, it lays flatter. This is the hair. I don't know how to feel about it. Let me know what y'all think. I'm trying to like blend this out a little bit more so it looks more blended in with my skin. This is where you add the makeup so it could look more real and natural. I don't know, I think this looks better than the other way. This might look a little better. All right, y'all, so this is how the hair looks like. This is the final result. Let me know what y'all think, if you think this looks like a frontal or it still looks like a closure. I don't really like when my closures look like closures, but sometimes everybody needs a break from frontals and needs a good closure. So I don't know. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. You know, the curl pattern is really, really pretty. I would have to wear this hair for a good month to let y'all know like what I think about the quality, because so far it's cute. It's cute. It stops like right here, like where my breast is and everything. But you know, I mean, I like the curl pattern. It's really, really pretty. I'll put the inches of the hair here, or you'll see it in the description box below. And also, this is transparent. This is a transparent lace closure, and it is a 4x4. So yes, I managed to finesse this 4x4 to make it look decent. I hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you enjoyed, you know, seeing me on your screen. Thank you for the support. Thank you for the love. Thank you for all the positive and negative comments. I appreciate every single one of you guys that believe in me, subscribe to my channel, and watch me whenever I post. And of course, don't forget to turn your post notifications on so you guys can see when next I upload. And it also helps when you like, so that way my video goes out to people that really need to see it. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye, guys.